So another question we often get is, well, my insurance company or my insurance agent told me to go get 3 bids after a storm. And what we tell homeowners is your price is fixed, your price is your deductible. So running around getting 3 estimates really doesn't do you a whole lot of good. Just selecting a contractor that's going to do that you like and feel comfortable with is going to do a good job for you is the most important thing. But how do you guys handle that, or what are you guys seeing on your end?
When I first got started in the industry, we would definitely recommend people getting a couple bids, but that was back in the 90s. Times have changed now, and now an independent claims adjuster or a claims adjuster for the insurance company will actually go out and they'll write a bid to that job and say, give this to your roofer. The insurance companies aren't asking for multiple estimates anymore. They're really trying to dictate the cost of the claim because they've seen so many hail claims. They generally have a pretty good idea of what it's going to cost to get redone.
And a lot of that, it's not coming from the insurance company, it's in people's mind that I have to get 3 bids.
Right.
And an insurance restoration project is completely different from just a regular retail project. So I think that's one of the challenges for homeowners to understand is getting 3 bids really at this day and age doesn't do them any good.
Yeah, it's really not necessary. You find a roofer that's got a good reputation, a roofer that you feel like you can trust, that's good enough.